Hey everyone, you ever browse online and see like a cool shirt or a dress and think, I wonder what that would look like on me? I was searching for an easy way to change clothes in a photo and stumbled on this like amazing free AI tool. And it does it all in seconds.
Whoa, really? In seconds?
So in this deep dive, we're going to unpack how this tool works and what you can actually do with it.
All right, I'm all ears. What's this magical tool called?
It's called the Vidnoz AI Clothes Changer. The source I found breaks it down into 3 easy steps. First, you head over to their website. It's vidnoz.com. Make clothes-changer.html. Easy peasy.
Okay, website's up. What next?
Step 2 is uploading your pics. You need 2. One of yourself, obviously, and the other of the clothes you want to try on. Step 3. The AI automatically changes your clothes and creates a new image. And get this, it does it in seconds. Like, seriously, seconds.
No way. That's impressive. Image processing can take ages, especially with detailed stuff like clothing.
Right, so let's recap. If you're tired of guessing how clothes would look on you, or if you just want to have some fun with your pics, check out the Vidnoz AI Clothes Changer. It's free, it's fast, and it's surprisingly effective.
Go to the website, upload your photos, and let the AI do its magic.
It's a perfect example of how AI is making our lives easier and more creative.
And it leaves us wondering, what other amazing AI tools are out there waiting to be discovered?
Exactly. So here's a final thought for you. Have you found any other AI tools that have blown your mind? Let us know in the comments.
And don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI.
See you in the next one.
Catch you later.